Thanks. Thanks a lot. So this is the 0 position. This is the position we use to check that the robot is in good shape, that all the joints are in the right 0 position. And the 0 position is what we use also then for sending orders to the robot. So, for instance, you can ask the robot to move his shoulder by a certain degree, positive or negative. So this is the 0 position for all the motors. All the motors are at 0 in this shape. Okay. And on the left side, you have a list of boxes that are pre-programmed that we provide in order to send commands to the robot. So it's a very intuitive way of programming. You just pick a box, drag it, and then you can edit the box. So for instance, hello, I'm in Tilburg. Okay. So I'm connecting the beginning, the beginning point of the behavior to the box. I'm loading.
Hello, I am in Tilburg.
Okay, so you can see it's very intuitive, very user-friendly. Okay, and you have lots of different boxes that can be used to play with the robot and to start building behaviors. Okay, so I'm going to unload the commercial demo and the autonomous life of the robot, so that we don't get interferences during the rest of the presentation. So I don't know how in depth you want to go on details of how to use choreograph.
Here's a question.
Yeah.
Can you also program two actions at the same time in parallel, so make the robot say something while moving?
Yes. Okay. So this is a standard presentation that I usually do. So thank you. So the presentation lasts 3 hours. So I hope you have time. So you can animate the robot. So for instance, you can ask the robot to do a hello movement. So there is a box already programmed for hello movement. So I'm going to search the box. You put the box. You connect. Oops. Where? So you need to activate the motors, and you send the command.
Hello, I am in Tilburg.
Okay. So you see it's very, again, very user-friendly. You can also record your own movements. So you want to create what's called an animation. So animation. Okay, I'm going to drop this box away. Oops. So when I use the animation box, if I double click on the box, I have a timeline that is showing up. So I'm going to request your assistance again, please. So in this timeline, we are going to record the position of the motors. So let's assume this is going to be the initial position of the robot. So I just store the position of the joints for the whole body here. Then on the time frame, I go a little bit further on time. Can you do some movements with the arms? So just, yeah, keep one movement. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's do another one. Sorry. Okay. And let's go back. One is the initial position. Okay, thank you. So we can play the movement. So we activate and we play the movement. Okay, so we are just playing the movement we have recorded, and we can edit. The movement. So, if you hit the edit button, then you can go into. It opens another window for editing. You have here all the motors. You can decide to deactivate some motors if you don't use them. Oops.